Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now, earlier this week I received a message from a company called FIMEI or FIMEI, and they asked if I'd like to demonstrate one of their products on the channel. So I said yes, I would love to. I will give a totally honest review. So that's what we're going to do today. It came this morning, it's beautifully packaged. What I'll do is I'll unpack it all and then we'll go through it all, but there's polystyrene, so everything's nice and tight. Okay, right, it comes with technically 6 pieces, 7 pieces. You have a brush for cleaning, you have a jug for collecting your juice, you have another container for collecting the pulp, you have the main base. Now the main base, did you hear that? It's got feet on it, so it suctions. And then British plug, no adapter needed. Pop it on and you twist so that it locks in place. And if it's not locked in place, it won't work. The other adapter that I've just dropped on the floor because I'm an umpty is a plunger to plunge your things down. Now, it looks quite good. We've got on, off and a reverse. You can do smoothies in this as well. So I'm going to rinse the things out and we'll make a fruit juice and see how it goes. I've been to Asda today and got lots of different fruit to try. Right, our first juice is going to be carrot and apple. So I have just chopped up 2 carrots and 2 apples. Okay, so they're just going into the bowl, and I've got a tiny piece of ginger as well because I think that will work, and I'll put that in. And to peel ginger, did you know it's easier to peel it with a spoon? Right, now if I just go like that and press it on, nothing happens. The lid must be locked for it to work. Right, where's my plunger? And putting the wrong end in, aren't I? What a wally. Juice appearing. I don't know why I was holding it. I don't need to hold it. With these things I do need to be taller so that I can see, because I struggle. Oh my gosh! That pulp! Look! It's actually, yeah, quite dry. Now, the pulp can go in your garden on the compost heap, or they actually have a recipe in here for pet shoes. I don't have a pet, but my children do. I might think about doing that. Right, just use this to take everything down into the, I want to say blades, but they're not really a blade. Right. Not especially noisy. Yes, you know it's on, but it's not extremely noisy, let's say that. Okay. Right. Let's stop and get a glass. And it's still coming out, which is good, but it's this pulp I can't get over. That is so dry. Oh, it's got a bit of a smell. Right, let's see how this tastes. Right, remember, carrot, apple and ginger. That's actually not bad. could have taken a bit more ginger. But first go, unboxing, nice solid material. I like the fact that the suckers stick it. The dryness of that pulp has absolutely amazed me, and how well, there are no bits in this juice, no bits. How well it's done that is perfect. Now clean up, how will clean up be? Right, to unlock it, there's a little hook that you have to push up and that unlocks it, and then take that off, and that's going to be a breeze to wash up. All I need to do is rinse that through. And this one, yep, hot soapy water, but that's all the residue that's in there. So FIMEI first looks, what do I think? I think it gets a thumbs up, and I will put a link to these on Amazon. I think they're £79, but definitely if you like juices or smoothies and want some extra compost for your garden, definitely worth a go. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon in the kitchen with Pen. Bye for now.